Logarithms. Today we will know about logarithms.
Welcome all. We will see one log problem here. I am reading the question. A plus log base 4, 3 divided by A plus log base 2, 3 equals to A plus log base 8, 3 divided A plus log base 4, 3 equals to B. We have to find out the value of B. To solve this question, we are going to change these log terms to base 2. How can we change it? Using this formula. Here I have written one formula. Log base x y. If we want to convert it in base 2, it will become log of base 2 y upon log base 2 x. This formula we are going to apply on these terms. These three terms, this, and this. Because this term is already in log base 2. So here we will write log of base 4, 3 will become log of base 2, 3 by log of base 2, 4. Again, we will simplify it. Log of 2 by 3 will be as it is. And this part we can write as log of base 2, 2 to the power 2. 4 we can write as 2 to the power 2. So again, log base 2 of 2 will become 1. This will be as it is. And this whole part will become 1. So it is actually 1 into 2 that we can write as 2. So log 2 of 3 by 2. Similarly, another term. So log base 8 of 3 will become log base of 3 by log base of 8. Now, how we have solved this one? In same way, this term will become log of base 2 by 3 as it is, and this will become log of base 2, 2 to the power 3, because 8 we can write as 2 to the power 3. Now, this will become log 2 base 3 by this term again will become 1. So, we will get here 3. Therefore, these two terms we are getting one here and another one here. Now, let us suppose x equals to log base 2 of 3. So, our this term log 4 base 3 is now we have got as log 2 base 3 by 2 and log 8 base 3 is equals to log 2 base 3 by 3. Now these two terms we will convert it as in x terms. We have supposed x equals to log base 2 by 3. So let us change it. This term will become x by 2 and this term log 8 base 3 will become x by 3. So we have b equals to, I am putting these value in this equation. So 8 plus x by 2 by a plus x equals to 8 plus x by 3 divided by a plus x by 2. Now as we can see that this and this, they are like terms and in opposite side. So we can cancel it off. So what we will get? B equals to, now we will assume, let us assume a equals to 0. Then b equals to x by 3 by x. So these x will be cancelled off and so we will get b equals to 1 by 3. The answer is 1 by 3.
Thank you, children.